You are not my father, Zero. You are a stinky monster, right? Ha 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 ha, Xiao Xiao, you guessed it. I am everyone's favorite super handsome and invincible monster. You are not my Diga dad. You're the big bad barrier, right? Ha ha ha, Xiaomi, you are so smart. I am Yushu Linfeng's graceful barrier that everyone likes. You are not my own mother. You're monster number one, right? Ha ha ha, little you guessed it right. I am the most handsome monster number one in the universe. You are not my dad, Black Fried Chicken. You are also a stinky monster, right? What, you little brat, open your little Kazalan eyes and take a good look. I'm your dad, Black Fried Chicken. You don't even know your own father. See how I'll teach you when I get back. Ouch, my mom, ha ha ha.